why we use a surface cleaner to do this. Here's the results. Bear with me, I'm working on one hand here. That's why you hire a professional, folks. When you hire Sterling House Wash, that's what you get. Professional results. It's cleaner, it's free. Give us a call. Thanks.